as you can see, this is another unboxing from succulentsbox.com. Guys, but before we get to the unboxing, let's check out their website. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and check out their website. They have many different plants. As you can see, they have really good prices. They also have pots. There's the Moonstone, $5.85. Find your plants by Genius or also by characteristic, like for the indoor shade or outdoor or trailing plants or rosettes. So you just click in one of those and then you can see what kind of plants they have. Look at that beautiful Gratovaria Fredias and the Echeveria elegans, and that beautiful Horathia and Donkey's Tail. Here are some trailing plants, the beautiful variegated hearts. A beautiful flapjack. There's some more. Crastula Morgan one that I just got. Guys, so this website is really good to find some more difficult plants that you might be looking for a really good price. So just go ahead and check them out. Thank you so much for sending me this package. I'm so excited to open this up. Let me just get right into it. I'll go ahead and open this up. I'm trying to be as gentle as possible here. Okay. First plant. Let's see what it is. Very well packaged. Let's try to open this. There we go. So pretty. Let me see if, okay, I have a paper. This is a Morgan Beauty, guys. How beautiful is that? Looks really nice. A lot of the dirt stayed in there, which that's pretty cool. And it's so pretty. I can't wait to clean her up and pot her up. I'll have to do a separate video for the potting because I am short in time. This just arrived and I wanted to open it right away. You always want, with plants, you don't mess around. As soon as you get it, you have to open it right away. You want to make sure that you take care of them right away. Okay, here's the next one. Okay. How beautiful. It's a string of hearts. So pretty. And it's the variegated one, I believe. And it's pink. Where did I do with the paper? I just had the paper in my hand. Oh, there it is. String of plant hearts. Yep, variegated. Guys, you need to check out their website. You can find some really unique plants for good prices. So that's why I ordered them from the beginning, because I can find some unique plants for good prices, and they pack them very well and they communicate very well. If you put your phone number when you're checking out, they text you letting you know that it was sent out. Then it also texts you that it is out for delivery, so that you know you could be keeping on the lookout for it. And that's it. So I'm so excited to have received these. Thank you so much. And I so wanted this for my collection, and I'm so thankful. You guys need to check them out. And I know these are pretty difficult to find, guys, so check them out. And normally also you can always find a discount code. So here's the code. and you can get 10% off by entering plant 10 when you're checking out. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and stay tuned for a potting video. Thank you so much to succulent.com, and all the information will be in the description. Thank you guys. You guys have a blessed day.